The First Lady of Zimbabwe, Ziliya Mnangagwa, caused a stir at a Joan Masowe Echishanu Chinevere Shrine in Chiweshe over the weekend after a security team disrupted a church service, leaving congregates distressed. Sandamira mashoko aiwasi zvamazvinzwira kuti First Lady vanokonzeresa chaos aiwa kuna na Joan Masowe uko. Sandamira mashoko ati kunzwa vanhu vari kuti zviri kumbonzi kudii zvizvi zvakaitika kuti bosubscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Timina mzimu aminanyira chiti witnesses reported that church members were jostled, shoved, and shuffled to ensure the First Lady's safety, and her team took over the shrine. The chaotic scenes left many questioning the heavy-handedness of the security personnel accompanying the First Lady, who is known for traveling with an entourage of at least 50 security officers and a fleet of high-powered vehicles. According to sources close to the scene, the disruption began long before Ziliya's arrival, with the security operatives harassing attendees and thoroughly sweeping the church grounds. Congregants described the environment as tense and intimidating. Despite the commotion, Auxilia later took to X, formerly Twitter, to confirm the attendance at the service. She expressed nostalgia for the church where she claimed to have grown up, stating, "Believers are required to uphold the integrity of God's word and adhere to its precepts. I'm pleased with my upbringing and religious foundation. This last Friday, I was able to visit the church where I grew up, Joan Masowe Echishanu Chinevere Shrine in Chiweshe, to meet some of the old and new members and spread the gospel to fellow believers." Tomashoko anobuda chitoko panapa pazvari kunoti aiwa panodisruptiwa echi service kuti kunyange zvavo takaona kuti aiwa kuuya kwakaita the First Lady pachinevere shrine apa kwava successful, but vanhu vakamboshungurudziwa nemasecurity officers zvakashaya kuti aiwa zvichiri zvenguva panapa here kana kuri kutya ari ma-insecurities acho azonyanya. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro wechitiko ichi kuna comment section yedu. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.